In this video, let's see how to write an infinite loop in Python. To find the code, go to kandi.openviewer.com, and in our case, we need to search infinite loop in Python. And right here, we can see multiple code snippet recommendations. We'll go ahead with the first one. You can copy the entire code from here with a single click. Once it is done, let's go to an IDE and paste the code here. In this code snippet, we have a function called shampoo instructions, inside which n is assigned a value 1. Then we have a while condition. Once the while condition becomes true, either of these three conditional blocks will get executed. Once it is done, the value of n will be incremented. When the while loop breaks, that is, if the condition of while loop becomes false, then it will print done. Then the function call is done by sending the user cycles as the parameter. Let's run the code. We need to give the user input. Let me give 1. Now the while condition is executed as per the condition. Now we have successfully practiced how to write infinite loop in Python.